To schedule a post on AutoSocial, simply click on the date you want your post to go live. Once you select the date, the posting panel will open. Here you'll see the Write Something section, where you can add the text description for your post. Just below that, you have multiple options, including insert media, design media, and even an AI image feature to create visuals instantly. You'll also find basic editing tools to refine your content, along with an Add New Tag section to organize your posts efficiently. If you want to automate your content further, you can use the Repeat Post Every Day option and customize your posting schedule. Now, go ahead and upload a poster from your local system, write your caption along with relevant hashtags, and choose the platform where you want to publish your post. Finally, you'll see two options, Post Now or Add to Calendar. Click on Add to Calendar and your post will be successfully scheduled. You can always view and manage your scheduled posts directly from the calendar.